What's up guys, Matt Thompson from 3D Offroad. Behind me I've got the Samuel LJ that we built for Colin Coates and Built to Wander a couple of years ago. Brought it back for some upgrades, and what we're going to end up doing to this is we're going to actually be making this 6.2 a stroker motor, which will turn it into a 427, and also we're going to be doing full hydro steering on it. So I can't wait for you guys to see it and how much more power this thing's going to have. The Samuel LJ all torn apart. We've got the motor off to the machine shop, transmission's fixing to head out to zero gravity performance to get its upgrades that it needs. PSC's got a full hydro system coming this way for this thing, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the end product of it. This thing is going to be a monster. What's up guys, Matt Thompson from 3D Offroad. You guys have got the Samuel LJ behind me. We have done so many upgrades to this. We've added the 418 stroker, a brand new transmission from Zero Gravity Performance, Savvy bumpers front and rear. We changed out the winch on it's the Warren Xeon 10S. We've added the Genright center console that we powder coated here in house. Fitted all of his accessories that he wanted into it. We've added cable shifters for the Atlas. You guys, there's so many little things. You know, we've added hydro boost to it to make this thing stop better. You know, we're debuting this to the customer today. I want you guys to make sure you watch this video because we have a super cool surprise. So be watching. Guys, Matt Thompson from 3D Offroad. You guys, I want you to know that we just finished debuting the LJ. You know, Ryan is a really, really close friend to Built to Wander and to 3D Offroad, and also a customer. You know, he's taking over the reins of the Samuel LJ, and I'll let you tell him what he thinks.
So when I took over the reins, I had a thought that while it was a perfect build, it could just use a little bit more power, and you put Matt and I together and you end up with a lot more power. So the Junkyard 6.2 was pulled, rebuilt, stroked out, and it's a different animal now.
Yeah, with the full hydro steering and everything, it just made everything so much nicer. Can't wait to get this thing out at EJS and for everybody to see it.
Yeah.